decided I may semi-blog me doing my own nails. These are what my natural nails look like. I do not want to part with them, but you can see that broke. And this is the other hand. And whenever I get lazy and don't feel like going to the nail shop, I started doing my own nails. I've been alright with them. I did have these. I used to use these. I got these from Sam's Beauty, and I would cut it into the shape and stuff that I wanted it, and I would just either paint it or put glitter on it. Today, I decided that I want to try the acrylic method, so I have the Kiss dip kit that I just bought. And it comes with like the powder, the brush on gel, a sponge to clean with, extra dip brushes, the activator. It has like the little thing you gotta put your little dip in. Here's the tips. It has clear or white, and then the buffer. But I also bought my own gel polish that got good reviews. Oh dang it, I forgot to get my UV light. Oh well. This had good reviews on Amazon. I got this from Amazon. I forgot what YouTuber when they did their own nails they suggested this. I got this on Amazon as well, and this is the coffin shape, so I don't have to shape it. And then I also bought this from Amazon, which have all types of files and buffers. And then I had my own little baking and stuff. Glue, it was buy one get one free from like Sam's Beauty. And I love these glitters by Horror Candy. They're actually from the Troll collection. Oh, they're so bomb. And then you know you have your little nail filers. I got scissors and a critical picture somewhere. But on this hand, I've already, as you can see, my cuticles are already clipped on and everything. So now I'm just going to file to make them real dry and then put the nails on. So I'll be back after that. This is what the nails look like when I finally clip the cuticles and buff my real nails and put the glue and stuff on. And like I said before, I did not cut my real nails because I didn't want to. I couldn't part with them, and it didn't matter anyway. But yeah, that's what they look like. And the only ones that I had to do something to for real is the thumb. I should have still felt that a little bit more, but on this one, I hope you can see it to make it match. So what you basically do, because if it doesn't fit your nail at the bottom, this is just an example. So the bottom of it, you just take a buffer or a file. So we'll be back with the next one. So the first thing I'm going to do is mix my glitter, because I use glitter acrylic. I don't like polishing my nails. So this is the first one. Then I'm going to have these two. This one's called Deep Blue Sea. Silver Dollar. And they're by Horror Candy, the Troll Glitter Collection. And I had to actually get those from eBay because I originally bought them from Walmart, and Walmart ain't selling no more. So I just want to stir that real good. I just want to let you guys know I purposely put the steps, even though I didn't show it in the videos, because I did not show you guys. I want to let you know too, this step right here with dipping the powder, I would do it at least 10 times if you want your nails to really look like they were done at the shop. And voila, here you are, acrylic nails with no polish needed, and that you can do yourself at home. I want to let you guys know, please use the UV light. Do not get this gel unless you have a UV light because it looks real messy. So guys, they ended up turning up real nice. This is my first time trying to use the dip acrylic method, and I think I did an alright job. I just want to let you know, if you do try to do this, because I'm on my second set now, and you do learn as you go, and it was very detailed and tedious, so that's why I didn't even get time to even set up my camera. Like I told you guys, I was in my bed. It is a great alternative. Like I said, I only did it because I did not feel like going to the nail shop, and I had to go to the festival, something in the water. So these was my festival nails, and they were great. I got so many compliments on it. If you do get this kit, I will suggest that with the brush on gel that they have, put a lot towards the ends where your cuticle is, so it makes them look more like a shop look. And also, shaping is not that hard if you get the nails that I got from Amazon. I'm also going to I'm also going to post a link below of where I got everything. If you like this, if you want me to do more like this, just make sure you comment, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.